Hi everyone, it's Denise Brown. Looks like I'm all glittery today. I love these things. Anyway, it is Sunday, Canadian Thanksgiving weekend, and I wanted to take a moment to wish you a happy Thanksgiving, my Canadian friends, and for our US friends that aren't up here right now. I'm sorry that we can't see you. It is a little bit damp, but anyway, spending time with family is going to be inside, and we're going to have lots of turkey. I am very excited because I'm all naughty. I get to see both of my sons and a good friend of mine, Cindy's, tonight for turkey, and we're trying the Earls special. So Earls is cooking our dinner tonight, so let's see how that works. You know, I'll be working myself up until 5 o'clock, and that doesn't allow for turkey time. So I hope that you spend a wonderful time with your family. I am looking forward to it, obviously, spending time with mine. Hi, Julie. How are you? I hope that you're having a great Thanksgiving. And I think traditionally they cook turkey on Monday. But tomorrow I'm taking the day off. Well, almost. I've got to show just some property. So I hope again that you are going to have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family. And for my Canadians, I hope that I see you up in Whistler sometime soon. And for my US friends, open the border before Christmas so that you can come up skiing, okay? Have a great weekend. Goodbye.